Welcome to today's video. I'm Gary Weriawan, and today I'm here at a restaurant slash hotel in Yogyakarta with my wife. We're having a quick snack after lunch, and we're just gonna enjoy a little bit of downtime here, eating some food, drinking some drinks, and just have a leisure time together. And I thought I want to squeeze a little bit of photography time today, and this is part of my everyday photography challenge. And you can watch the other vlogs that I recorded for the everyday photography challenge up here on the card above. Anyway, with the everyday photography challenge, my goal is to be able to spend more time with my photography hobby, try to make some time for it, and also to always bring my camera everywhere I go and try to find something interesting every day that I can photograph and try to make it look interesting. And by the way, you can also participate in this everyday photography challenge because I think this is very beneficial for us. This forces us to be more creative, to be more engaged with our photography hobby. And you can go to this link right here. I will put it also on the description and on the card above if you want to participate in the everyday photography challenge. The rule is simple: just upload whatever you took and just share it with us. As long as it's PG-13, then you should be fine. You know, it doesn't have to be great photograph. As long as you try to make it interesting, you put some effort into this photography, then I think this should be more than good enough. Anyway, for today's shoot, I'm keeping it very minimalist. I'm just using my beloved Panasonic GX85 and also just one lens today, the Panasonic 20mm f1.7. I brought some other lenses like the Olympus 45mm and the Laowa 7.5mm, but I decided not to use it today. I just want to focus on using one lens for this everyday photography challenge today. Alright, so I want to take a full body portrait of my wife with this 20mm lens. And can you move a little bit? Yes, okay, excellent. I want to get this composition with the light bulb on above, and also with this arcing thingy of this tunnel right here. I want to get a full body portrait with the 20mm. I'm switching to aperture priority, ISO 200 f2.0. Let's quickly take the shot. It's a little bit underexposed, but I'm shooting in RAW, so later on I can just edit in Lightroom. So let's take the shot. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Alright, so potentially another composition right here. I want to take another portrait of my wife, full body with the 20mm aperture priority. I'm at f2.0 ISO 200. I want to get that greenery as sort of a background and a little bit of this leading line. Hopefully I can show it in the picture. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. I'm gonna go a little bit closer. I'm gonna go a little bit closer this time with the horizontal composition. Can you move forward a little bit? Okay, that's nice. A little bit more. I wanna get you in the shade. Yes, excellent. I wanna get that background blur of the greenery. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of these leaves, I don't mind. It's gonna add a little bit to the foreground. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Alright, another composition here, still with the 20mm f1.7. I'm at aperture priority f2.0, and I want to get a little bit of that swimming pool. I'm gonna use these leaves over here as sort of a element for the foreground, and the background is that building over there. Alright, I'm gonna do horizontal this time. Alright, excellent. I love the lighting right now. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go a little bit closer just to fill the frame even more. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do vertical one because I don't want to clip her hand. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. I love that sort of rim light that you get on the left side on the arm right there. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Can you face forward straight? Yes, that's a nice one. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. One more time. I'm gonna do horizontal. Alright, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Alright, another interesting spot right here. I wanna get a little bit of the swimming pool and the greeneries. I'm gonna do horizontal composition with the 20mm still. I'm at aperture priority f2.0. Alright, looks really nice. I'm gonna move back a little bit. 1, 2, 3. One more. It's a little bit sunny and a little bit difficult to see on the screen, but I hope you can still see. I'm adjusting the composition to add or remove greeneries as needed. I'm gonna try different angles just to make sure I get the one that's the best. And I'm also gonna try to do vertical composition as well. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna move a little bit closer just to get more background blur. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So we found this unique looking rickshaw right here, and I have my wife right there posing. I'm gonna try to use the 20mm to get both the rickshaw and my wife in one frame. So I think I have to move back a little bit. Thankfully the 20mm is sort of wide but not too wide, and tight but not too tight. I like this composition right here. Alright, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. I have to be careful with the vertical lines and the horizontal lines on the background. Try to make sure that they're not giving me perspective distortion or keystone, as they say. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. One more time. I hope you can see what I'm doing on the camera, because I have to move back quite a bit, and yeah, something like this maybe it'll work. 1, 2, 3. I will crop a little bit later. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's video. I hope that today's vlog has been interesting, informative and useful for you. I encourage you to also participate in the Everyday Photography Challenge. Again, I will put the link right here. And yeah, I will try to feature your pictures on my next videos so that we can learn together from all of our pictures. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you and see you on the next video.